Imagine and craft.
Hey guys, in today's video I have created this balloon powered car. So simply it is a car जिसमें wheels के बजाय caps हैं, body के बजाय straws हैं and engine के बजाय balloon है. Guys, to play with it you just need to blow the balloon and set your car on the floor. Guys, you can see how far my car goes. I created paper car in my previous video, so you can also stick the paper car on this car to decorate it. Guys, this car is super fun and is a great toy. The best thing is that it is powered by a balloon. I have created paper cars before and they were made without glue. The link for them is in description. To further decorate this balloon powered car, you can stick the paper car. Guys, if you want me to recreate this balloon powered car with cardboard, then please comment down below. This car is super easy and fun. To play with it, you just need to blow the balloon and set it on the floor. It is a great toy in lockdown. I am super impressed by the results and you can see yourself how fast it goes. You can add it to a toy car collection and you can do racing with it. I bet it will be the fastest car. Wow!